Good morning, children. So in the first session, we learnt about integers, introduction to integers, and also the putting the number line into the integers. And I also told you we will go with the addition of integers in the second session. And before going to the addition of integers, I told you certain rules has to be followed. Here, what will the rules may be? So if you have minus into plus is equal to plus into minus is equal to minus into minus is equal to plus into plus is equal to. See, this is not only for one class, not only for 6th standard. This will continue as per your education continues. So this is a very important thing which you have to remember throughout the times. So here we have minus into plus is always minus. They are opposite. Okay, they are opposite symbol. So this opposite symbol will always get negative symbol itself. Here also same, plus into minus will also be minus. Okay, when two negatives are there together, two negatives, they make positive. They are positive. Two negatives, that is minus into minus is plus. And now plus into plus, obviously it is plus. I want you to carefully look into it and write it down into one of your book and keep it safe. So that whenever you wanted a reference, you want you to turn back and see what it is. So again I will repeat it. Minus into plus is minus. Plus into minus is minus. Minus into minus is plus. And plus into plus is plus. So based on this, we will continue with our addition of integers. Will also always remain the same. Here, if you take me as add plus 6 minus 4 now here when you compare plus 6 will remain as plus 6 itself. So there is no change. Plus into minus is minus 4. So plus and minus. If you usually for positive numbers, if you write a plus also it's okay. If you don't write plus also it's okay. As I said in the previous class, I told you for positive numbers we only write 1, 2, 3, 4, so on. We never give them a plus symbol. But without a plus symbol also they have understood it as positive numbers. Only for negative numbers we clearly mention it is as negative numbers. So here if either you write a plus or if you don't write a plus also it is okay. Now so this though it is an addition, because due to the difference in symbol this becomes 6 minus 4. Therefore your answer will be 2. Similarly take 5 plus 3. So 5 plus into plus is plus 3 is equal to 5 plus 3 is equal to 8. So here you get the answer. So let us take one more number as 7 plus minus 2. So 7 plus minus 2. 7 plus into minus 2. Therefore 7 minus 2 is equal to 5. So by this I think you have understood how to do addition and subtraction in integers. So addition goes with addition and sometimes you have to do subtraction in additions there. So as we have already learned number lines, we will learn how to do addition using number.
1 by 1. So shall I erase this and move on?
1 by 1. 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 is how we know addition in number line. Is it? So, but if you have addition of integers, so if you get integers into your addition, then as the previous classes we have taken a number line, is it? So that type of number line we use. So our 0 comes in between. So our positive numbers will be here. We have negative numbers in the opposite direction. So on. So if at all our question is 7 minus plus 2. Okay, 7 minus 7 plus minus 2. Let us put it in this way. 7 plus minus 2. So where is our 7? We have to write 7 plus minus 2. That means we are doing here 7 minus 2. So we get 1, 2 back. So here our answer will be 5. So hope you are able to look at the word and understand this. So we write to 7 and we have to come back in the reverse order. And next if you have minus 3 plus minus 2. Minus 3 plus minus 2. Here what would be your number line? Again take 0, 2, 3, 4, 5, 8. Minus 1, minus 2. 6. So here we are starting with minus 3. So from 0 we are coming to minus 3. So minus 3 plus into minus is minus 2. Here minus into minus we have minus of minus plus. So we get here 5 minus 5. Okay. So then now it will be 1, 2. So our answer is minus 5. Hope you are able to understand. Here minus into minus is plus minus. So minus 3 and minus 2 we get minus 5. Is it? By this our addition of number line is here. So by this, let us start the exercise here. Exercise 6.2. So let us do exercise 6.2. So you have to carefully understand how to do, because it is a completely a new chapter for you, so that you will get little of confusion between this plus and minus and plus. So I will help you in doing it. So look at the first question. Using the number line, write the integer which is. So using the number line, write the integer which is, so A1 3 more than 5. So here you have to draw your number line as a number line of integers. So here you have write 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 9 and we end up with 10. Here we give negative numbers. Here it says 3 more than 5. So more the positive numbers. We don't have any negative numbers in it. So we write 5 and 3 more than that. So we have 1, 2, 3. So we have 3 more than that is 8. So according to our number, answer is 8. Hope you are able to understand this. Now look at the second one. 5 more than minus 5. 5 more than minus 5. So, and there is the first one. And try to do the second one here. Here it says B1 5 more than minus 5. That means minus 5 plus 5. 5 minus 5 equal to 0. So now look here. We take 5. Okay, 5 more. More you are going to take. So we are taking 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So 5 more than minus 5 will be 0. Are we clear? Ma'am, how ma'am more means how it will come to 0? Here that happens in integers. So from minus 5 we know in the previous session 4 is more than minus 5. Isn't it? Minus 4 is more than minus 5. Minus 3 is more than minus 4. So here it says 5 more than minus 5. We have come to minus 5 and from there we are going more. When you go more, you will end up with 0. Therefore, minus 5 plus 5 is equal to 0. Is it clear? I will do one more sum for you for clear understanding. The third one, C1, let us have it as a homework. 6 less than 2. Or let's let me do it also for you. Because each sum differ from the other and you have a little bit confused. 6 less than 2. So here 0. Now it is 2 minus 6. Isn't it 6 less than minus 2? 2. So we have to go to 2 and we have to minus 6 there. So how we minus 6? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So what happens? 2 less than 6. So it becomes 2 minus 6. So minus plus is minus. So therefore it is minus 4. Ma'am, it is really confusing, ma'am. Of course, it is confusing until and unless you understand. It is 2 is a positive number. So 6 less than 2. So 2 is a positive number and we are going to less 6. Even the 6 is a positive only for us, but we are going to reduce that 6 there. So when you reduce that 6, it becomes 2 minus 3 plus minus 6. Because we don't have a number here. Here is plus only. Minus plus is minus giving more numbers in the minus place. So here it is minus 2, 3 less, minus 3, 3 less than minus 2. Again we have minus 2, minus into plus it's minus 3. So therefore from 0 to minus 2 less. In here when you get in negative numbers, what is less? Coming in the left side direction. So we get 1, 2, 3. So we have minus 5 is the answer. Minus 2, minus 5. They have negative numbers. We add them but we write the same symbol, minus symbol. Negative into negative is positive. So we add them but we write the negative symbol to them. Hope this is very clear with you. The first main, using the number line, write the integers which is. So look at the second one, use number line and add the following integers. Again for the second main also we are going to use number line only. Second one, use number line and add the following. So here it is A 9 plus minus 6. So again take your number line here. 0, 9 plus minus 6. So here 9 plus into minus 6. So go to 9. Reduce how much? 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Therefore our answer will be 3. I hope this is very much clear with you. I will do one more for you. C minus 1 plus minus 7. So minus 1 plus into minus 7. Minus 7. Here, first we will have to come from 0 to minus 1. And now, how much minus we have to give? Minus 7. So, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So, what is the answer for us? Minus 8. Minus into minus is plus. We add it, but we give the minus symbol there. Okay, is it clear? I hope can you do D and F, B, D and F. E I will do it for you. plus minus 2 plus minus 3. So here we have minus 1, minus 2, minus 3. Plus into minus minus, plus into minus minus. So take your number 9. With minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, minus 5. Yeah, first let us take minus 1, minus 2, minus 2, we get 3. Again we are going to minus 3. 1, 2, 3. Therefore it is minus 6. So first you have taken a 1, 0 to 1, or else if you want to identify which number you have taken in the order, you can give like this 0 to 1 and minus 2, 1, 2. Next again 3, 1, 2, 3. You give this. This is also one method by telling this. Okay, 3 number we have minus 1, minus 2, minus 3. Or you can write it here also minus 1, minus 2 and minus 3. Yes, this is a addition of integers by using number line and without using number line. So let us stop our number line and then start doing addition directly. So third way, add without using number line. Fine. So let us take A, 11 plus minus 7. So here we can do horizontal addition itself. So we need not write into numbers and do it. We can do horizontal addition itself. 11 plus into minus, minus 7. 11 minus 7 is 4. So here the symbol of the greater number we will put it to it. So here the symbol of the greater number is 11. So we write plus 4. So take another one. Then we go to D, minus 250 plus 150. Okay, that is minus 250 plus into plus 150. But still we have here 1 plus and 1 minus. Because we have 1 plus and 1 minus, we go for subtraction because it is an opposite number. So 250 minus 150 is 100. So we write the symbol of the greater number. So then it is minus 100. See, please write it down. Just don't look at the video and just admire and leave it as it is. Especially integers, when you start writing it only, it is very clear for you to understand. So you will get confused between what is this minus and what is this plus. So please write it down and then clarify, until then you will not understand. So now let us do the E1, minus 380 plus minus 270. Here it is minus 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 270 because both are negative. So we write 0, 7, 14, 15, 3 into 6. So it is minus 650. So we get horizontal addition. So here I have skipped B, C and F I have skipped, so that you have to do as a homework. So next is same process goes on. Fourth one, it says find the sum of. Okay, I would like to do two sums from that. Find the sum of. So let me do C here. That is minus 312, 39 and 192. So here we have to add. It is the find the sum of. So minus 312 plus 39 plus 192. Let us add the first two numbers first. Okay. So it is minus and plus here. So we go with minus. Okay. 320. 9 minus 2 will go. No, you got to borrow. Make it 12. 12 minus 9 is 3. We write 3. Here it becomes 0. Okay, do it like this so that you will understand better. 2 becomes 12. 12 minus 9 is 3. Here 1 becomes 0. 0 cannot be subtracted. Take 1 from here. You get 2. 10 minus 3 is 7. And 2 remains as it is. So we get minus 273 because we write the symbol of a greater number. So it is. Hope everybody knows the subtraction. And next we have the second number plus 192. This number we take it down. Okay, here again plus into minus, it's minus. So we have 192. 3 minus 2, 1. 7 doesn't go in 9, we take 17. 8. 17 minus 9 is 8. So 1, 2 will remain as 1. 0. Therefore, again when you subtract, you get 81. So this is our answer for find the sum of. Hope this is clear. It is common addition and subtraction. Only based on the symbol you change the mode of operation. Sometimes it remains as addition, sometimes it will remain as subtraction. Only thing you know how to do addition and subtraction, only the mode change. Okay, mode of operation change with the symbols given there. Here when it is opposite symbol you do subtraction. When you have same symbols you do addition, and you will write the, for a symbol you will write the symbol of the greater number. That is all is this value. But only you have to understand how to do. So I will do this D also for you here. It says minus 50, minus 200 and 300. Therefore we have minus 50 plus minus 200 plus 300. So here minus 50 plus into minus minus 200 plus 300. So if you take first two numbers, they do addition because it is negative numbers, both are negative numbers. Minus 2 plus 200 plus 50, 250 plus 300. So here we have opposite symbols, plus into minus. answer. And do you want me to do find the sum of again 4 numbers? Okay, there are 2 sums. I will do one sum for you and another one you can try by yourself. Symbol of the greater number is minus 8. Bring this number down. Plus into minus, minus into minus is minus 30 plus 8, 38. Therefore, your answer is 38. Next, we go on to the subtraction of integers. So there is not much difference between addition of integers and subtraction of integers. It means that only the symbols again change. Let me take an example of 6 minus 2. So usually the 6 minus 2 on a number line 0, 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7, 8. So it used to be 6 minus 2, 4. This is the subtraction what we previously had seen. Now, if you get subtraction in integers, if you get subtraction in integers, then how it would be for us now. So let us take 6 minus 2. So this became a integer subtraction. So 6 remains minus into minus plus 2. Minus into minus plus 2. Therefore, it becomes 8. Previously when we said 6 minus 2, it was 4. But when it comes to integers, 6 minus 2, it becomes plus 2. Therefore, you will get 8. Okay. So let us take one more example to be 5 minus 3. So you take 5 minus into minus plus 3, which will be equal to 8. So again we take one more example. Minus 7 minus 3. Okay. So here it's minus 7 minus into plus minus 3 minus of minus 6 minus of minus 10 minus. It is minus 10. So here now when the symbol change, we are changing the symbol here. But why not here? Is it that question? Here when you change, you are just giving for a process. Here the processing is going on. Okay. But here the process doesn't change. Only the symbol remains. Is it clear? Okay. Shall we do certain sums based on this same equations? So here one more is given as subtract minus 4 from minus 10. So minus 10 plus into minus plus, minus into minus is plus 4. Therefore, minus into plus, when you do, you get minus 6. Hope you are able to understand. Minus 10 remains same. We have minus into minus, therefore it is plus 4. Minus into plus, we do subtraction here. So 10 minus 4 plus 6, and we write the symbol of the greater number. So only I told you there is no much difference between addition and subtraction. In integers, inside addition operation we do subtraction, and here also sometimes in subtraction operation we will do addition also. This is the special quality of integers. So here we will move on to exercise 6.3. Exercise 6.3. So the first one we have find. So find, when we write A, 35 minus 20. So 20 is a positive number, and here 35 is also a positive number. Okay. So let me see. 35 plus into minus minus 20. So 35 minus 20 is 15. So we will get answer. Okay, B, not B, let me go for D. Minus 15 minus 18. So minus 15 plus into minus, minus to minus plus 18. 18 plus 15, we have minus there. So 18 minus 15, it is 3, and we write the symbol of the greater number, therefore it is plus 3. Let me do D. Plus minus 20 minus 13. So it is minus 20 plus into minus minus 13. Minus into minus, so we get 33 minus 33 is the answer. Now look at the here. Second main, fill in the blanks with the symbols greater or lesser or equal to. So let us find out whether these are lesser, greater or equal to. First one A, minus 3 plus minus 6. Minus 3 minus 6. So which is greater? Here we have minus 3 plus into minus 6. Here minus 3 plus into minus plus 6. So you have minus 9 here. So it is minus 9 and plus 3, which is greater. Here our plus 3 is greater, isn't it? So next, D1, minus 21 minus 10. Greater or lesser? Minus 31 plus minus 11. Here, minus 21 minus 2 minus plus 10 minus 31 minus 11. So therefore, you will get here minus 11, Here we get minus 42. So which is greater? Minus 11 or minus 42? So minus 11 is greater than minus 42. So 2 more is there. As fill in the blanks. The 2 more. You solve it and let me know which is the answer. So 2 sums I have solved it for you. So 2 sums you will solve by your own. Let me move on to the third main. As it says again, fill in the blanks. So 8 minus 8 plus dash is equal to 0. So what could be the answer here? This again minus 8. That is plus 8. So minus 8, if you have plus into minus, if it is minus, then you have plus into minus, you get minus here. So if you have plus 8, then you will have minus 8 plus 8, you get 0. Therefore the answer here will be plus 8. So B1 13 plus dash is equal to 0. Again here you can give minus 13. Plus into minus, minus you will have. C 12 plus minus 12 is equal to answer is 0. D minus 4 plus dash is equal to minus 12. It is minus 8. Minus 4 plus into minus minus 8. 8 plus 4 will give you minus 12. So E dash minus 15 is equal to minus 10. So it is 5. 5 minus 15 is equal to minus 10. Or it will go for minus 25. Minus 25 also you can consider. Minus 25 plus minus, plus into minus is minus. No, you won't get this answer here. That's 5 only. Then you will get the correct answer. So look at the last one. Last one is for you to solve, like how you have addition and you have solved the addition. It is given find minus minus minus. So here I will solve one sum for you to make you understand how subtraction works there. I think best 3 is there. The 3 you can do it by your own. Look at your fourth way. Find A minus 7 minus 8 minus 25. So it is minus 7 minus 8 minus 2 minus plus 25. Take these two. Okay, it is minus 15 plus 25. Therefore your answer will be plus 10. Take B minus 13 plus 32 minus 8 minus 1. So let us take minus 13 plus 32. This was two number. So here we have 1. 32 minus 13, 12. So you have plus 90 minus 9. So we can add these two, minus and minus, minus 9. So therefore you will get 10 as the answer again. So rest two sums are there. I hope the last two sums you can do. By this we end up with the integers as our answers. In the next session we will finish our one more, that is geometry, and by this you will finish up your portions.